Welcome to the Evo Light Series tutorials. The remote controller and the aircraft have been paired in the factory. If you change the aircraft or the remote controller, you will need to repair the device. There are two ways to pair the aircraft with the remote controller. Option 1, pair with controller and aircraft buttons. First, remove the gimbal cover. Press the aircraft power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Double-click the aircraft power button. The light will flash green quickly, indicating it is ready to pair. Press the remote controller's home button and the power button at the same time. The remote's indicator light will flash quickly, showing it is ready to pair. After successfully pairing, the green indicator light will stay on for 5 seconds. Then it will flash slowly. Option 2. Pair in the Autel Sky app. Open the Autel Sky app, go to the Personal Center, and click Connect New Aircraft. Follow the on-screen instructions. Press and hold the remote controller's power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Click Next to connect the remote controller and the mobile device. Press and hold the aircraft power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Click Next. Double-click the aircraft power button. The light will flash green quickly, indicating the aircraft is pairing. After successfully pairing, the green indicator on aircraft will stay on for 5 seconds. Then it will flash green slowly. Thank you for watching.